In this video, we're gonna be discussing about the comparison between Dent and the MayaMobile international roaming SIMs. For that, the process is very simple. Just stick to the video till the end if you want to get to know everything and every detail about them. And I'm gonna do the side-by-side comparison between them. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe to channel, like the video, hit the bell icon. That's pretty much it. So right now I'm gonna just show you what features does they actually give to the users. So for the Dan, there has no API access, but as compared to the Maya has the API access, and there is no integration available with any of the three main formats like Apple Pay, Braintree, or PayPal. But on the other hand, MayaMobile provide all three integrations. There is no such pricing details online available for the Dent, but the pricing detail for the MayaMobile is available that starts from the 4.84 cents, $4.84 per month, and it also doesn't allow a free trial, but there is a free version of the sim that you guys can get. So the other thing is the deployment. So the deployment is pretty similar to each other. They both are available on Android, iPad, and iPhone. And the other thing is about the sport. Does they actually support how good is their sport services? So they does not allow phone sport, but Maya Mobile actually supports the 24/7 live sport. On the other hand, then does not support that, but they are actually support the online help forum where you guys can contact them and submit the application if you're facing any sort of issue. So let's dive right into the next thing. So, is there to get you going? Is there any sort of documentation available for the intent? But there is no that documentation available for the dent. On the other hand, MyMobile provide the documentation. So vendor detail. So a dent was found in 2014, and the website is dentapp.com. On the other hand, the Maya website is maya.net, and it was established in the United States and named as MayaMobile. So they both products have the eSIMs. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this really helpful.